Before you continue, ma'am, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Raffy. Salamat po, Senator Raffy, sa pagdalo ninyo. Before the PSA continues, would you like to make any opening statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige po, you have the floor.
Andito ba yung SBMA?
Actually, Senator Raffy, wala po ang SBMA, pero
Tourism.
nandito po ang DOT, and earlier po nabanggit ang SBMA nung ibinasa po ni Ms. Sara Garovillas yung sulat ni Ms. Jahaziel Maninding dun sa mapait na sinapit nung anak nilang si Ranziel dun po sa All Hands Subic Beach Resort.
Ang tanong ko lang
Senator
kasi,
Raffy.
kung nandito yung Tourism, Department of Tourism.
Nandito po ang DOT, CUSEC Maria Rica Bueno.
Good morning
Senator
po,
Raffy.
Senator.
Pinisita niyo na po yung all hands kasi base po sa mga information na tanap namin, nothing has been done. Nobody inspected, nobody went there para tingnan kung sumusunod sila sa regulation. Parang pinabayaan ng all hands para bang napakalakas ata ng may-ari nito sa lahat ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno.
Actually, sir, yes, our regional office po, we have actually asked our regional office to handle yung sa all hands. But in this case po kasi the all hands resort is not DOT accredited. So our regional office na lang po is really closely working with
Bakit hindi po natin pasara?
si LGU. That's why po we refer the case to the local government unit po because they have the power to
Madam,
close it down po.
Taon na po ito. Para bang wala nangyari, may namatay tapos parang binirulan yung buhay ng isang taong namatay, bata. Sana ma'am, kung ganun kahaba na itong panahon, by now, nasarado na to. Pasara nyo.
Senator, we will coordinate po with the
Kailan nyo po papasara?
Senator, the Department of Tourism po does not have the mandate to close down, pero we will
SBMA, sa LGU eh. Kasi I want it shut down. Kasi insulto naman po, may namatay na bata eh. Baby yung namatay, bata yung namatay. Tapos wala tayo, we didn't do so much.
So the DOT po can commit to really work closely with the LGU po on this case po.
So ma'am, asaan ko ba na by next week o sa susunod na hearing ni Ma'am Riza, pagkating ko, something has been done, at least man lang pinakamababa, nasuspindi. Never siya nasuspindi eh. Ang lakas-lakas niya eh. Kanino siya malakas? And mas gusto ko, mas matutuwa siguro marami kung siya po'y napasara kasi sabi mo mismo hindi siya accredited. So why allow them to open when they're not accredited? Para lumilitaw sila na illegal.
Yusek, baka pwede kayo in responding further dun sa tanong ni Senator Raffy, baka pwede po kayong mag-comment dun sa binasa ni Ms. Sara sa sulat ni Ms. Maninding na sinabi po ni Ms. Maninding, yung All Hands Subic Beach Resort continued to operate in defiance of a cease and desist order. So sino pong nag-issue ng cease and desist order? And sinabi din po ni Ms. Maninding sa sulat nila that the resort even removed the no swimming sign of SBMA. So ano po yung, kung alam po ng DOT yung further action ng SBMA, pagsagot po kay Senator Raffy.
Madam Chair, because well, personally I'm in the head office, but we will have to, of course, check this with our regional office po. Kasi yung cease and desist order, if I would presume it, ang LGU lang po ang nakaka-issue ng ganon, because they have the law enforcement mandate. Sa DOT po, because yun na nga po, dahil hindi siya DOT accredited, so we formally endorsed it to the LGU.
Di ba ma'am, sabi niyo pumunta yung regional officer ninyo. Ano ginawa niya doon? Nangulangot lang. Kasi kung pumunta yung regional officer ninyo, nakakuha na siya sa mga info na tinanggal yung signage, yung cease and desist order na signage doon, pinagtatanggal. Sana dumaan na sa kanya yun. Na hanggang ngayon, lahat ng mga signage na ini-require sa kanya na sinadjust namin nung makausap namin siya through the DILG and the LGU, hindi pa rin nilagay. Wala pa rin. Tapos may mga playground pa rin para sa mga bata sa tubig. So dapat wala yun. I mean, ang daming mga bagay na dapat wala doon at mga bagay na dapat nandoon, hindi po inaksyonan. So ano pang reason ba't pumunta yung director ninyo tapos pagbalik niya, wala pa rin nangyari. Kaya nga, sorry, nung ginamit kong term, nagpapatawa lang ako. So pumunta siya doon, he was just picking his nose.
Siguro Yusek, pwede niyong ikwento sa komite nung hiniling nyo sa regional office mag-investigate, at least initial findings. Ano po yung initial findings nila?
Because it's actually, yun na nga, kasi the process po sa Department of Tourism, Madam Chair, Senator, if and when a particular establishment is not DOT accredited, we formally endorsed it to the concerned government agency or the local government unit. So para sila po yung mag-push through with the the investigation and the case.
Pero at least po nung pina-investigate nyo yung regional office ng DOT, may findings po ba sila dun sa investigation na yon?
Madam Chair, can I request our Director for the Office of Tourism Standards and Regulations who's really supervising the regional offices accreditation also?
Yes, please. Anong pangalan nung
Director Veer Magigad.
Director Manigan?
Magigad.
Maligan.
Magigad.
Magigan.
Yes.
Director, if you could address the question of Senator Raffy. So ano po yung findings ng regional office nyo sa pag-imbestiga dun sa All Hands Subic Beach Resort?
Yes, Madam Chair, Senator, the regional director, si RRD Dainos, visited, and actually recommended SBMA and the LGU to have a closure on that particular resort. But as mentioned by Yusek Rica, it's not accredited by the DOT currently. But of course, since it's still within the tourism industry, we try to our best to have a hold on these establishments. But as mentioned earlier, Director Denos recommended the closure of that. That's the reason why meron nilagay na cease and desist order. But of course, as with the mentioned by Yusek Rica, the LGU having the powers to close, would have to really hold its hand on this particular case, especially since it has the licensing powers as well. Yun na po.
Pero sir, when was the last time na nag-visit po yung inspector ninyo, yung regional director sa site? When was this? And then he recommended to the LGU to shut it down because wala ngang accreditation. When was this?
Yeah, we'll have to reconfirm with our regional director regarding this. We'll provide the entire report, sir. But for the
sir, dyan na naman tayo Senator Riza, Madam Chair. Every time nagpapatawag tayo ng ganito ng hearing at alam nila kasama sa hearing pag-uusapan itong tungkol sa Subic, sa pagkamatay ng bata sa All Hands, should come here prepared. Hindi yung when we come back, alamin pa namin. No, don't do that. Alam nyo na pag-usapan tong All Hands. Dapat you have all the information we need. All the information that will be asked from you should be given to us right here, right now. Huwag yung pababalikin pa namin kayo. So anyway, yun lang po, Madam Risa, Madam Chair.
Salamat, Senator Raffy.
I want it shut down. So, sorry, Mama. I want it shut down. O at least man lang. Kasi matigas naglagay ng cease and desist order. Tinanggal. Kita niyo yung napakatapang ng apog ng may-ari nito. Sino ba ito? Sino bang connection niya? Si Herodes, si Barabas, sino ba? Poncio Pilato? Ba't ang tapang ng apog nito? Really, ma'am? Tinanggal, pinunit. Pati mga signage, napakatapang ng apog nitong hinayupak na itong taon to kung sino man itong may-ari ito. Please, come on, show them na nobody's above the law. Kung sino man yung connection niya, hindi pwedeng umubra dapat dito. Okay, yun lang. Madam